I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms, from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis, and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade, stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi, good morning. Alex here. For those that they wish to learn how to invest in the markets, in particular beginners. To learn how to invest in the markets can take years, since it is a very complex subject, by far more complex than, for example, 20 or 30 years ago. Today you have very complex correlations between different assets. Some of them they didn't exist in the past, as the case of cryptocurrencies and so on. So for those that they purchase AI Premium from Intuitive Code, not only you get all those features, access to them by purchasing the plan, and obviously coming with millions of dollars in profits, depending on the size of your account, forecast, earnings, price targets, strong buy ratings, junk ratings, stocks for you to invest in, stocks for you to sell short. You also have access to a compilation. I'm referring to a lesson, 25 minutes, where we discuss precisely. For example, I'm going to refer here or to mention some of the topics. Basic technical analysis, which by the way you find on more than 50 videos, lessons, forecasts, in near 100 articles for members. Position sizing, trailing stops, risk analysis, analyzing the business model of a company, which is the aim of investment. For example, this is a topic that most people are not familiar with. If you ask someone which is the aim of investing in the markets, you will not obtain the correct answer. The reasoning of a successful investor, once again, most people are not familiar with this concept. The importance of ETFs, once again, very few worldwide are familiar with the importance of this topic. Stock analyst ratings and price targets, how to take advantage of it, how to read them, and so on and so on. So you have it here, published more than 8 months ago, for those that they wish to evolve in the markets. Thank you.